And finally, it's not a bill or a hearing that has social media talking tonight, but an unexpected tandem. Our big picture tonight, Senate President Pro Tempore Sherwin Gatchalian and Senator Risa Ontiveros have been trending online after netizens began shipping them. The pair has been dubbed Winry on social media, with supporters creating posts, videos, and even a dedicated fan page. Some netizens have also highlighted the two senators' shared love for dogs, calling them fellow fur parents. Both Gatchalian and Ontiveros previously played key roles in Senate investigations into POGOs, including the high-profile case of former Bamban Mayor Alice Guo. Here's a clip that has since gone viral among netizens.
Kinakausap ni Risa. Bigla ako kasi nakita ko si Senator Risa, palabas na ako ng building. Si Senator Risa pala mahilig din sa dogs. Kita natin na kinakausap niya.
Naku, matutuwa si Sunny Trillanes dyan.